Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to your Wix website. Let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the actual Wix website right here, and we just need to actually integrate Printify. So let's use this four squares right here, the Add Apps option, and then this will open the Wix App Market. Now on the Wix App Market right here, let's search in here for Printify. So once you have searched this, you can see this Printify app right here. So from in there is the contact, and then in here you can see the loading. So click on add this site right here in order to add this specific thing on your website. So this will open a new window wherein you just need to log in your actual Printify channel. So I have opened a new Printify account right here. We just need to create a new store. So let's click on this add new store. So let's name it as well as this one on our Wix. So let's use this store right here and let's just name it. So you can also connect your store directly from Printify. Here's Wix right here. And from there, you can actually connect it through that. So in here, let's just select, which is this art for all. So select that. And then in here, just click on agree and add. And then in here, it will ask you to connect to Wix and give a store name. So for me, the store name is art for all. So I will just add that right here. So once we have added in here the store name, let's click on continue. And then from there, this will load. And as you can see, there's a congratulations as we have connected the Wix store on our actual Printify. So we can see our Wix store right here, which is the art for all. And if we actually just head over to our actual Wix website right here, we should be able to add this to our site by clicking on this add site again. And when we click on add to right there, we should be able to see this one. So let's also just put in here art for all. In that way, they are connected through two ways. So let's click on connect right here. And then through in here, let's click on agree and add again in order to successfully integrate Printify. As you can see, it's already connected. So in here, we just need to just look and click on this connect to store. And then just choose this my new store from the Printify that we have. Then click on connect. Now from in there, it will click on this agree and add. And then we have actually connected this one on our website. So as you can see right here on our Printify dropshipping, it has actually connected our art for all website to the Printify itself. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to connect your Wix store to Printify. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.